comfortable place in the middle of, busy Angeles city life. Nando pa po kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, and I am really happy kasi it's a new chill, it's a new vibe.
This is another place sa mga comfy lover. Tingnan natin yung place and yung mga sinaserve nila.
Sasabihin po namin, papakita po namin what made this place very special. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Hi, we're in Pampanga. I'm Faith Arrozado.
I'm Andrew Arrozado, and welcome to
Hygge Lifestyle and Coffee.
Alright, so this is it. This is the place. Ayan. Diba? Very comfortable, very spacious para sa akin. It only has like 3 tables in the middle. A lot of the space actually is for comfortable staying, and at the same time, meron tayong mga apparels na tinitinda din nila dito. Ayun guys, so sample ng mga clothes available to buy here. Ayan. A trivia, so the way you pronounce it is
Hygge.
Hygge. Hygge. Pero yung spelling niya guys is Hygge. So it is a Danish word which translate to comfort, to stress-free life.
Hygge is the feeling of comfort, being grateful in every little thing na meron ka, even kahit pagsip lang ng coffee. Yun na yun, comforting na yun sa'yo eh. And rest mismo, or nasa bahay ka lang, sa comfort zone mo, that's Hygge.
So, Hygge lifestyle is a complete absence of frustrations or anything emotionally overwhelming, often enjoyed simply by celebrating every day. Wow! What a great philosophy. Ako gustong-gusto ko yung ganun na attitude sa buhay.
Doon nag-start yan na gusto namin i-share na it's okay na ganyan yung status mo ngayon. Maging contented ka, maging happy ka. It's okay kung nade-delay yung mga plans mo ngayon dahil sa nangyari sa pandemic. Kasi may mas magaganda pang plano na mangyayari sa'yo. Doon nag-start.
Dito sa Hygge, so yung mga specialties nila are mga pasta, sandwiches, and yung dessert. So syempre papakilala natin before natin sila tikman. So for our pasta, meron tayo ditong pasta al pomodoro, meron din tayong carbonara pasta, pesto pasta, and oriental pasta. Syempre, sa mga sandwiches naman, meron tayong pesto grilled cheese, and yung kanilang bacon mushroom. For our dessert, ito yung classic French toast.
So as simple as that, the entire menu is on our table, no? So ito yung ating servidora for the day.
Mga drinks natin, divided into 3 categories lang.
Okay.
So meron lang tayong coffee, non-coffee, and tea. So napakasimple lang talaga.
Napakasimple.
Yes, simple shop, simple menu,
Walang
and
complication, no bro?
Yeah, so ano lang, comfortable lang tayo. Yan.
This is it. Happy life.
Happy life. For their coffee, I had mine, yung Spanish latte, one of my top 3 Spanish latte. And then guys, ito yun. Actually, isa sa mga nagustuhan nga namin dito, simple lang. No complication for the menu.
Okay, ito ang shakarato. Meron siyang Baileys and vodka. Ayun, meron amoy pa lang, meron na. Masarap. Tingnan mo man.
Ini-invite namin lahat ng mga tao na malapit sa shop namin, mga students, free wifi, and sa iba na gustong i-visit kami, you're welcome home.
And our operation hours are from 12 noon to 8 p.m.
sir.
So this is another place for you to stay and to chill. Lalo-lalo na sa mga students na gusto
Exactly.
mag-aral, mag-review, and maging comfy na para nasa bahay ka lang.
So, ini-invite po namin lahat ng mga students ng Holy Angel University. This is another place for you to do your homework, your research, surf the internet, just buy anything. Libre na yung wifi dyan.
Yeah, so this is Hygge, located dito sa may Angeles City. Pinaka-landmark lang natin is yung tapat lang siya ng 7-Eleven Holy Angel University.
Yun. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.